Hey guys, it's Jose and I'm back for another reaction video. Today we're going to be watching TABLO X RM Stop the Rain official MV. Let's get into it. Let's go. But before that, guys, as always, make sure to click that like button and subscribe if you haven't. That is the easiest way to support the channel. If you're new to the channel, I have exclusive content, BTS 7 moments, BTS full documentaries, docu-series, concerts, albums, reactions, all of that is going to be over on my Patreon. The link is in the description below. That is how you guys keep me going online. Truly, it is. So I truly appreciate it, guys, if you are able to support in that way. And plus you also get credited at the end of my videos. So it looks to be animated by the thumbnail and by this first frame. So without further ado, let's get into it. Let's go. Oh, super cute animation. Epic high on the wall. Photographs. Ooh, black and white. No more color. Damn. Oh, the little cat. Ooh, RM. Oh, we miss him. We miss them. You guys, that voice. Notice, look at the cat's mood even changed too to match his owner's mood. Wow. What is this about to be?
Teachers call me rebel, parents call me boss, pastors call me devil, have me kneeling at the cross. Since I was a youngin', I was called names and bossed around, back to the wall so long, call me Pain's poster child. Religious hometowns are different, they told me I was gifted, but to unwrap my mind was wicked. I was raised by guilt, raised by shame, raised by the rod. They claimed it was love, felt like heartbreak to me.
Whoa, look at that animation.
And remind you, you can soar higher. What good's a bird's eye view when you're in a hunter's crossfire? Sometimes I wished I got crushed in the womb, turned to dust in the womb.
Whoa.
No wonder I've always hated the adults in the room.
Wait, no. This is really deep. This is, oh.
They claimed it was love, felt like heartbreak to me. Later they say, baby, all your scars are to teach and remind you, you can soar higher. What good's a bird's eye view when you're in a hunter's crossfire? Sometimes I wish that I got crushed in the womb.
Wow.
Turned to dust in the womb.
Oh, okay.
No wonder I've always hated the adults in the room.
Singing Namjoon. I'm vibing, but these lyrics, you guys. Oh.
When I was a kid, I was convinced that I was destined for the 27 club. I'm 29, sinking in the bathtub, sipping gin, looking for another club. The lust wasn't lust, dust into dust. Straight after stable, dash it up to your dirt. And every night I put my shadows on. But you know how much I hate my status quo. I know.
Whoa. This is like next level powerful, you guys. This is very vulnerable. Like, that's truly inspiring. To be that vulnerable, that open to share this song, these lyrics. They're very, very dark, but with some light in it. Because by them expressing this, by them releasing this, by them putting it into words, it can be therapeutic. Releasing that, it can be helpful. That lyric right there, you guys.
When I was a kid, I was convinced that I was destined for the 27 club.
When I was a kid, I was convinced that I was destined for the 27 club. If you guys don't know what that means, trigger warning, skip maybe like 30 seconds. So the 27 Club, there's a lot of musical artists, celebrities, even actors too, but majority have been artists who have D-worded, who are no longer here with us. And they all left at the age of 27. That's why it's a thing. And for him to say, when I was a kid, I was convinced that I was destined for the 27 club. He thought he wouldn't make it past 27. He would not be here right now. That's very, very, I can't. Like I said, very vulnerable, very open to share these thoughts with us.
Wasn't lush, touched into dust. Straight up the stable, dashing up to your dirt. And every night I put my shadows on. But you know how much I hate my status quo. I know what you
Be
got,
positive.
out of love. All the lessons learned already coming out of trust.
Keep my mind steady, but it's hard.
What did that say? Hold on. But you gotta know my life is out of, he says love, but it's scratched out blood. SW, blood, sweat, and tears. Immediately thought of BTS. The guy has been through so much. That's so cool right there. But you gotta know my life is out of blood, sweat. Cross it out. Love. Because his life is not out of that. There's gonna be blood, sweat, and tears throughout his life.
Life's out of love. All the lessons learned already coming out of trust.
Keep my mind steady, but it's hard to readjust. Nothing stops time, but the clock will turn and rust.
Pain and rain, it's a state.
The wings.
Looking for that, it's just to entertain. Pain and rain, think I'm going insane.
Gotta turn off my phone.
Wow.
Can't run away from the pain. I feel like I'm gone insane. Bad thoughts feeling on my brain. Tell me something inside my face.
Oh.
Can't run away from the pain.
I'm trying to stop the rain.
I'm trying to stop the rain.
Oh my God. Did y'all catch it? One thing is to listen to the song and another to look at the music video because it's even deeper. Look at the lyrics. I'm trying to stop the, and he scratched out forever rain. Forever rain. That is a song of his. But also, like I said, it's the light at the end of the tunnel because I'm trying to stop the and then scratching out forever. Like the rain is not forever. It's always there. Rain is always going to be, and rain is never going to go away, guys. He's trying to stop it, but he knows it's not forever. Oh. Stop the rain. There's not much to say, but I will say this. Thank you, Tablo. Thank you, RM. It's as simple as that. Thank you. You are saving lives because of this. You will save lives because of this. And I want to, this is from a Rolling Stone article, guys. Tablo is intentionally releasing the song a month before RM is discharged from the military, sparing RM from having to answer questions about his lyrics, which are unflinching in their depiction of despair and their shared feeling at different times in their lives that they might not live long enough to grow old. Over a languid beat, RM raps, "When I was a kid, I was convinced that I was destined for the 27 Club. I'm 29, sinking in a bathtub." The 27 Club refers to a collective of prominent musicians who coincidentally de-worded at the age of 27, including Amy Winehouse, Jimi Hendrix, the Rolling Stones, Brian Jones, Kurt Cobain, Jim Morrison, and they name more. Having lived through Tajin, a years-long smear campaign orchestrated by hundreds of thousands of anti-fans who hated him, Tablo didn't want RM to be targeted by spiteful people intent on sensationalizing his lyrics. The personal topics they address on Stop the Rain include mental and physical abuse, as well as the song is in English, except for one line in Korean near the end, which alludes to a cycle of feeling trapped. If it was just my song with only me on it, I would have been okay with releasing this song right away, Tablo says. But with RM on it, it's a different story. I worried about how it could impact him. I didn't want him to be harmed in any way. Wow. Thank you, Tablo. That is super thoughtful, super caring. That's so kind. And RM, yeah, you're not with us right now. Like, you're in the military, you're enlisted. We cannot wait for you to come back. And thank you for putting your heart out on this song. Like, laying it out. To any of you who are living in the rain constantly, do not worry. The rain is not forever. We all have those moments. Trust and believe, I have those moments. But please take this song as encouragement to keep fighting, because that is what these guys have done and are doing. The rain is not forever, guys. It's only temporary. I love you guys. Thank you so much for the continued support. Thank you for watching. What did you think? Let me know in the comments. And until next time, guys. Adios.